the Pirate Handyman vacation version. As we've talked about before, it's fun when you can help people, when you can use the skills that you have, the skills that you learn. And right now we're at a relative's house, and they've had a fence post break, and it's going to be about 10 days before their fence people can come out and fix this. Well, they're worried about the fence coming down, and in a windstorm or something like that, and maybe breaking other things. So here's a quick fix that we can use to shore this up. That's not going to do any damage to the fence itself, and is going to preserve everything, but yet keep it from coming down. So the first thing you need is you just need to find a piece of scrap wood. In this case, we got a piece of 5/8 inch plywood. 2x4 would work, even a 1x2. You just need something that's fairly stiff, that's a little more than half the length of what you're shoring up here. So you can see we've got about 2/3 of it. So what we do is we'll push the fence, we'll lean this up against it, and kind of measure where this is. And you can see we've already driven some 2.5 inch nails in here. And what this is going to do, you don't have to nail the board to the fence. All you want to do is give it some structural integrity. So this way the board is just going to hit up against these nails. When the fence comes forward, it's going to provide some downforce to push this into the ground and keep the fence up. So once we've driven the nails in, we just push the fence up. Put your foot down here and kind of push towards the fence so it comes up, and then we can let go, and that way you can see it's very sturdy. Again, this is just a temporary fix until they can have this fixed, but here you've helped out somebody, something that they were worried about. So thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient, save some coin for your treasure chest, and even help somebody out. Here's to smooth sailing.